students, today we will do revision of chapter 2, latitudes and longitudes. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1, what is the equator? Equator is the imaginary line on Earth's surface that divides the Earth into two equal halves. In this figure also you can see that I have drawn an equator, which is an imaginary line and is dividing this circle into two equal halves. It is 0 degree latitude. As you all have studied, equator is also a latitude. Question number 2, what is a grid? A grid is a network of latitudes and longitudes that cross each other over a globe. As in figure 1 you can see there is network shown, horizontal and vertical lines are there, and in second figure there is globe. You can clearly see that a grid has been formed. Grid means a network of vertical and horizontal lines that are latitudes and longitudes. Question 3, what is a hemisphere? A hemisphere is half of the earth formed by the equator and prime meridian. You know that equator is a latitude. So in the figure 1, it is dividing our earth into two hemispheres. Top is the northern hemisphere and the bottom one is the southern hemisphere. And in figure 2, prime meridian, the longitude is dividing the earth into two equal halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Question 4, mention two features of meridians. The features of meridians of longitude are: meridians run from north to south and touch each other at poles. Students, let me tell you a trick so that you are not getting confused in longitudes and latitudes. Longitude word is derived from the word long. So it means that it is coming from top to bottom, and top is our north and bottom is our south. So therefore longitude, that is the meridian, run from north to south, and poles, north pole and south pole is being touched by them. Second point, due to the shape of the earth, the distance between the meridians is the largest at the equator and it decreases towards the pole. You can see in the figure also that the distance towards the equator is more, and as we are going towards the north pole, the distance is getting closer and decreasing. Question 5. How will you find the location of a place if we know the latitude and longitude of the place? So mark the word location. When location comes, then the answer is the point where the longitude and the latitude of a place cut each other is the exact location of that place. Here the line which is coming from top to bottom is longitude and the horizontal is latitude. So the point where they are cutting is O. This point is the exact location of that place. Thank you.